Hello everybody, it is me, Ace Pilot 109, or Captain John, and today I'm going to be trying out a brand new RC boat that I bought from my friend. So it is not brand new, and it has been used, but it's lightly used, and it's in pretty good condition. So maybe some of the problems and the battery life won't be the same as a brand new one, but hey, I'm just going to drive it around this little river and show it off. Now the reason I got this from my friend is because he didn't need it, and since I've been building some RC boats recently, if one of my RC boats got stuck, I need a good old reliable store product that I know is not going to break like something that I build DIY to be able to go out and rescue it somehow, if that ever, I need to. So it's almost like a little rescue boat that will only come out whenever I do some projects with RC boats, which hopefully I can do some more of because they're pretty cool. Normal RC procedure, transmitter's on. Now I'm going to unlock all these latches, just like that. Pull that off, little clip in the front. Then, just a nice little clip right there. Only goes in one way, so if it doesn't fit, flip it upside down. Looks like a good fit there. And then there's some little clips there for the battery that just nicely hold on in place. It's not an airplane, doesn't have to be super secure, so those clips work pretty good. The nice cover right on top. Then that one latch holds that on. So it's almost double protected, kind of. This is just a decorative cover, though. And I have this little nose piece on here that protects the nose. I'm going to go ahead and take this off because I'm not driving in a small pool, and I'm not worried about crashing. So I'm going to be walking down this little trail right here. Got the RC boat. There's some kids playing soccer across the way. Hopefully, I don't distract them too much. And sorry for the noise that you're probably hearing. And there's a little spot I can get to, away from those weeds. See if I can get down there. Now this boat has a little thingy right there. I'm not sure how it actually works, but it will only run the motor and turn on the boat if it's in water. You see, when I put it in the water, I was holding the stick back because I'm used to flying RC planes. It went into reverse, so don't do that. Just a little control check. Controls are working. Motor works. There's reverse. And there's forwards. Alright, here's a full speed pass. And right back towards us. Alright, same process to take the boat apart. Quite a bit of water. Hopefully nothing's inside. This is also the pretty much first real test of this boat out in the water. Oh, pretty much nothing. That's pretty good for a used boat, huh? Alright everybody, well that's going to be it for today's RC boat video. Once again, sorry for all the noise. They're playing soccer here, and this is kind of the only place where I can test this thing out in some decently open water. As you might have seen in the video, this thing is pretty hard to film. There's only one of me today, and so positioning the tripod to try and get everything in frame was pretty difficult, but I hope you could have seen the cool stuff that was going on. The boat was, when it was turning, it was almost completely on its side once it got up quick. It doesn't really have much turning pretty much at all at low speed, but that rudder is pretty small, so it really only does work when there's power being pushed through it, very similar to how an RC plane uses its motor to push air over the flaps. So this is definitely going to be a great asset to have when I start building more and more homemade RC boats. I'm going to actually use this and modify the nose to have a pusher on it, to where if one of my boats gets out in the lake and it's stuck, I can come up with this boat and push it back to shore without having to get in a kayak or wait for the wind to blow it. Because this thing seems pretty reliable, as you might have seen in the video. So everybody, that's going to be it for me, Ace Pilot 109, or Captain John, and there's a bunch of mosquitoes out here, so I really want to leave now. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be sure to watch some of my other videos. And I hope you all have a good evening, day, or night, wherever you are. Enjoy. Thanks, everyone.